Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best Sign Language book is probably one of the most effective ways to start your journey into the world of sign language, offering a structured approach to learning this beautiful and expressive form of communication. Whether you're looking to connect with deaf and hard of hearing individuals, expand your communication skills, or simply enrich your understanding of different cultures, a comprehensive beginner's book can provide the foundation you need to begin your learning adventure, and this video will help you find the perfect one. Number 5. BARRON'S ASL Guide. Learn ASL at your own pace with BARRON'S comprehensive guide. It's perfect for beginners and those looking to build a strong foundation. This guide covers both levels 1 and 2, providing a complete learning experience. You'll gain a solid understanding of the language's fundamentals and more advanced concepts. Practice what you learn with our online video component. It provides interactive exercises and visual aids to reinforce your learning. The book is structured for easy understanding, with clear explanations and plenty of examples. You'll find it simple to follow and learn effectively. It's a complete guide to ASL, covering grammar, vocabulary, and cultural aspects. It's everything you need to confidently communicate in ASL. Unlock the world of American Sign Language. Order your copy of BARRON'S ASL Guide now and begin your language learning adventure. What we like. It's a complete package for learning ASL, covering both levels 1 and 2. The included online videos provide extra practice. If you want a thorough ASL education and prefer digital learning aids, this is the book for you. What people say. This book gives you a website where you can go to practice signing with another person, and it gives you a sign that you must identify. It's a great tool. This book is very comprehensive. This is a great resource for learning ASL. Well written, easy to read, with great illustrations of the signs. Number 4. Baby Sign Language Guide. Learning to sign with your baby opens a world of communication. It's a fun and engaging way to connect with your little one before they can speak. It helps reduce frustration for both you and your baby. Signing allows them to express their needs and wants clearly, even before they can talk. This guide provides 101 common signs to get you started. It's packed with clear instructions and helpful illustrations. We've made it simple to learn and teach. Each sign is explained clearly, with step-by-step instructions and visuals. It's never too early to start signing with your baby. Watch them blossom as they learn to communicate their world to you. Signing strengthens the bond between you and your child. It's a wonderful way to share moments and build understanding. It's about connection, understanding, and building a strong foundation for communication. It's an investment in your child's future. What we like. This book focuses on teaching your baby their first signs. It's perfect for parents who want to connect with their child early on. If you're a parent looking to improve communication with your baby, this is the ideal choice. What people say. The book is structured to be user-friendly, with clear, step-by-step instructions for learning and teaching 101 essential signs. Each sign is introduced with a brief description of its meaning, followed by clear, illustrated instructions on how to make the sign. The illustrations are simple, showing the proper hand and finger positions, which makes it easy for parents to follow along. The book's concise nature is perfect for busy parents who don't have hours to dedicate to learning. It encourages a gradual, stress-free approach to incorporating baby sign language into everyday interactions. Number 3. ASL for Beginners Guide. Welcome to the world of American Sign Language. This guide will give you the essentials to start communicating in sign language. Learn the alphabet. Mastering the alphabet is the first step to signing words and sentences. Practice signing numbers and common greetings. It's amazing how quickly you'll be able to use these in daily life. Start building basic sentences. You'll be surprised at how much you can communicate with simple sentences. Continue to expand your vocabulary. The more words you know, the more you can express. Practice everything you've learned. You'll be amazed at how much you've accomplished in 30 days. What we like. It's designed for quick learning, promising to teach you the basics in just 30 days. The focus is on essential signs, making it efficient. If you need a fast-paced introduction to ASL, this book is perfect for you. What people say. Love how it includes ASL grammar. Super fun and easy to follow. The book is 7x9, easy to read, the pictures are easy to follow. This book is either a wee bit dated, or has regional signs that I'm not very familiar with, so it was great to see them. I am using this as a resource for informal lessons with friends so they can sign to me, and I feel it is set up in a nice, natural approach to learning the language, pretty nice explanation for things, and is a valuable resource. Number 2. ASL for Kids, 101 Easy Signs. Learning to sign can open up a whole new world of communication for your child. This program makes it fun and easy. It teaches 101 basic signs, covering everyday objects, actions, and feelings. It's a great way to build vocabulary. The lessons are designed to be simple and engaging for young learners. It uses clear visuals and repetition to aid learning. It's a great way for the whole family to learn together. You'll be amazed at how quickly your child picks up the signs. This program helps bridge communication gaps and fosters understanding. It's an invaluable skill for your child's future. It's never too early to start learning. Give your child the gift of communication with this easy-to-use program. What we like? It simplifies ASL for kids, making learning fun and accessible. It's great for improving communication with children. If you're teaching a child ASL or want to improve communication with a child, this is a great option. What people say. The illustrations are clear and helpful, and the words chosen are common and useful. It explains the signs thoroughly and makes it very easy to understand. Excellent pictures and explanations. Number 1. ASL for Dummies. Want to communicate with the deaf community? This guide makes learning American Sign Language easy and fun. It breaks down complex concepts into manageable steps, perfect for beginners. You'll be signing in no time. The book includes access to online videos that demonstrate each sign, enhancing your understanding and retention. It's not just theory, it provides practical exercises and real-world examples to help you confidently use your new skills. Learn at your own speed and convenience. It's the perfect resource for anyone looking to expand their communication skills. This book empowers you to connect with a wider community and enrich your life. Start your ASL journey today. What we like? It's part of the popular Dummies series, known for its clear and simple explanations. The online videos are a great addition for visual learners. If you prefer a straightforward, easy-to-understand approach with helpful video support, this is a great choice. What people say. This book is a great value price-wise for how well it is written and ease it provides when starting out with ASL. Great illustrations and explanations. My husband wanted to learn how to talk with a hearing-impaired coworker. Book is easy to learn and be able to communicate with his coworker. It has almost everything. Really easy to read and sign. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.